Good evening, student. Today I am coming with to introduce about a new chapter, that is chapter 20, which is about water. First of all, I'm sorry that I'm unable to go through your exercises and send you the feedback. Therefore, I'm sorry again. I will check it today or tomorrow probably. There was some family problem. Anyway, now come to the chapter, which is very simple and very short. So don't worry, not to worry. The chapter is about water, and as we know that we cannot live without water, and water is very important thing to us. We cannot live, we can't do anything without water. And just because of absence of water in the other planet and moon, no trace of organic matter in there. Anyway, this is the picture of globe. This is the picture of globe, and the globe, major part of the globe is looking blue color because of the availability of water. In our earth, there are 3% is covered with water and only 1% is land. So water is available, but in different forms. Water is available in different forms. Somewhere it is in lake, somewhere in pond, somewhere in river, somewhere in ocean, somewhere in we have to take water to digging the well. Sometimes it is in form of rain, sometimes it is in for snow, and different kinds. So at home we get water from tap. This is the fact. So different kinds of we can get water in different area, different kinds of forms, etc. But we use water. We মানে আমরা এবং animals and humans, we use water for different purposes, like drinking purposes. আমরাও খাই, অ্যানিমেলরাও খায়. bathing purposes আমরাও করি, অ্যানিমেলরাও করে. brushing, and we need water for brushing, for cooking, for washing, for utensils, from washing cloth, to put out fire, to water the plants and crops, to mopping. For everything we need water. Clean water has no color, taste or smell, but the availability of clean water in our world is very little, and so our duty is not to waste water for any purposes. And a clean water has no color, no taste and no smell, and plants also need water to live. তাহলে হিউম্যান হলো, অ্যানিমাল হলো, এবার প্ল্যান্টসদেরও কিন্তু জল দরকার. জল ছাড়া ওরা বড় হতে পারে না. A plant that does not get water will gradually die. এইরকম লাগবে, মরতে মরে যাবে. Save water. Water is very important. As water is very important, we should not waste it or dirty it. So today's message is that, and today's information is that. Very simple, we all know that. এটা পড়ার কিচ্ছু নেই, শুধু একবার দেখলেই হবে. and দেখার পর your duty will be to solve the exercises and send me back. And if there is any trouble, kindly inform me by you can inform me by WhatsApp or call me. And my advice for you solve the exercise, এখানে তোমাদের ভেসেল গুলো কালার করতে বলেছে. এগুলো জল ভরার কন্টেনার. You can store water in this container, but you have to color it. When you have to color it, you will keep the message in your mind that this is the water vessel, this is the water jar, this is the water bottle. And how much the water, the color will be like that. The bottle color and the water color should be that. Anyway, send me. Okay, thank you.